Yo man, what's up? I am Pragyan and you are watching the brand new video of YouTube channel named Hacked World. So in today's video I am gonna show you a trick on how to open all the files including MS Word docs, PowerPoint, PPTX, PDF or even MX Excel file. Now without any further ado, let's hop into the video. So in order to get this trick working, you have to download a small app which is available in the Play Store. Now let's hop into the mobile screen to see the steps. Now let's open Play Store, and as you can see the app name on the screen, which is All Document Reader Files Readers Office Viewer. Download it and after that click on open button. Now wait for a few seconds till it loads. Now click on the cross button on the top left corner to close the pop-up ads. Now as you can see there are many sections divided according to the different files like MS Word files, PDF files, PowerPoint files, Excel files. Now I will open a PDF file and show it to you guys. So now I will click on PDF file section and now open the file named pdf.pdf. So there's a pop-up ad. Now I should wait for 5 seconds so that I can close the ad. As you can see, I can view the images that has been converted as PDF file. At first you have to download that file which you have got from your Fiverr, Gmail or anywhere and save it in your device folder. Now let's see whether we can open the MS Word docs file or not. I will click on the Word file. Every time when you open section or file you will get this pop-up ad, so just ignore it. Different docs file which is saved in my device is being displayed on the screen. So now I will open the top docs file which is named MS Word docs. Let's just wait for 5 seconds and close the ad. Now as you can see the MS Word docs file has been opened and we can read the text which is written, "Welcome to my YouTube channel Hacked World MS Word." Now let's check whether the Excel file will open or not. You can see Excel files in the middle. Now click on it. So the extension of MX Excel file is XLSX. Now let's open it. So MX Excel file has also been opened and it is in the same format as I had written in MX Excel, and as you can read which is written, "Welcome to my YouTube channel Hacked World MX Excel." This app is very easy to use. So let's open PowerPoint PPTX file. I will click on the PowerPoint section. Different PPTX file has been shown here, so I will open the top one, MS PowerPoint.pptx. After closing the ad, you can see the PPTX file has been opened and it has been written, "Welcome to my YouTube channel Hacked World." You can swipe left right to view another slide. Also you can add files as your favorites. So whenever you open the app you don't have to find the file again and again, so just go to the favorite section and open the file. So to add the file to your favorite section, just click on the heart on the corner of the file. As you can see the file has been added to the favorite files, so just click on the favorite files and you can view the file. If the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also you can comment down in the comment section about the video or any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching. It's Pragyan Singh signing out.
Peace out.